Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you beautiful wedding hairstyles with veil. There are lots of wedding hairstyles, as you guys all knows: buns, messy and twisted updos, braids, bobs and waves are all on the table. You can also consider a few of the more modern styles like fishtail ascents, side swept or short sides with voluminous tops. Adorned with a pearl and silver pin for elegance, you may also consider a French roll for your natural bob. But if your theme is beachy or garden inspired, an airy wave is perfect. Guys, this is very informative video for the girls whose wedding is arriving. So please watch it till the end. This is very informative video. And watch this video till the end so that you do not miss any hairstyle idea. And if you want to get this hairstyle, take a screenshot of this look which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this look from any parlor. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos, and share my videos with your family member and friends for more informative and creative ideas for your looks. Guys, please support my channel and show some love.